Jai Hind, dear students. We are moving to the next topic from the chapter staffing, that is selection. It is yet another step or element of selection. After recruiting, we have to select suitable candidate for the job. So then what is selection? Selection is the process of choosing from among the candidates from within the organization or outside the organization. And we want to find out the most suitable person for the current position. It is possible only through selection. So remember, it is the process of choosing the right candidate for right job. So it may be from within the organization or outside the organization. So let us look at this diagram, which shows the different steps involved in the selection process. There will be preliminary interview, a receiving of application, screening of application, employment test. So, in some organization, some candidates will rejected after this test, and in some organization, they will reject after interview. So, after that, there will be a reference check or background check will be there, medical examination, and a final selection. So these are the different steps involved the selection of employee for an organization. Let us look at detail what are the different steps involved in selection. The first one is preliminary interview. So preliminary interview, sometimes it is termed as preliminary screening. So after applications have been received, they are properly checked as regarding qualification by the screening committee. Sometimes in some companies they will conduct one interview, preliminary interview, to know in detail regarding the qualification. Then they can reject. Sometimes organization will reject application after the preliminary screening. So remember, after applications have been received, they are properly checked as regarding qualification, etc. by the screening committee. A list of candidates to be called for employment test made and unsuitable candidates are rejected together. So remember the steps. So after that, the organization will conduct some selection test. So only through different types of test, the organization will appoint candidates. So selection test, it involves an employment test is a mechanism that attempts to measure certain characteristics of the individual. For example, characteristics like the attitude of the employee, interest of the employee, trade skill of the employee, personality of the employee, intelligence of the employee, etc. So let us look in detail what are the different selection tests conducted by the organization. So the first one is intelligence test. This is the basic common thing needed for an employee. So this is one of the important psychological tests used to measure the level of intelligence quotients. IQ test. Normally we will say like that. IQ. There is a scale for IQ. Lot of different psychological tests are there to measure the intellectual level of the employees. So the first one is intelligence test. Next one is aptitude test. Aptitude test is to measure the potential of learning new skills by the employees. It is conducted, aptitude test is conducted to measure the candidate's ability for learning new skills, maybe using computer or any other equipments like that. So aptitude test. The next one is personality test. Personality tests are also conducted. Why we are assessing the personality of the employees? We have to know more about the employee's personality. So personality, we have to know the emotion of employees, their reactions, maturity level, what is the value they are following, like that. So remember, the personality test is conducted. Then we are conducting some trade test. Trade test conducted to know the skill of employees, existing skill of employees, whether they are able to use the machines, computer, and whatever may be the innovative technologies. So trade test is conducted, and also they are conducting some more tests like interest test, whether the employee is interested to work in that organization as per their pattern. Interest tests are used to know the pattern of interest or involvement of a person, how much he or she is involved, whether they are dedicated, whether they are interested to work for the organization or for them. So these are the steps involved in the different selection test. Remember, intelligence test, personality test, trade test, and interest test, aptitude test. And also, after these tests, an interview is conducted known as employment interview. And interview is a formal, in-depth conversation conducted to evaluate the applicant suitability for the job. So there will be one board which includes expert and also the owner of the organization. They will all conduct a discussion or ask a lot of questions to know the suitability of the applicant, that is employment interview, the third main step. And the fourth step is reference and background check. So most probably this is done to know more in detail regarding the candidate. The reference will include, normally references are given. Suppose I am working in a school, I will give the reference of my teachers or the head of the organization where I had worked in the last year. So they will contact this present organization, they will contact, interview conducting organization will contact the previous organization's head and collect maximum details regarding me. That is reference and background check to know more information, wide information regarding the candidate. And next step, selection decision. So after getting maximum details regarding the candidate and interview, the board or the organization head will take the decision whether the candidate is to be selected or not. The final decision has to be made from among the candidates who pass the test, interview, and the reference check. And the views of the concerned manager will be generally considered in the final selection. So the manager or the head of the organization will take the selection decision after conducting test, interview, and reference check. Then what is happening? Then in most of the job they will conduct medical examination to know about the health related aspects of the candidate. Medical examination is necessary. Now it depends upon the nature of job. So after conducting the medical examination, the owner and of firm will give an offer, a letter which includes job offer to the candidate. The candidate as per his or her wish can choose whether she or he is interested to work in this organization. So a job offer is given by the organization. The next step in the selection process is job offer to choose applicants who have passed all previous hurdles. Means the different steps. Job offer is made through a letter of appointment or confirm his or her acceptance. So to know about the candidate's acceptance, job offer is given through the letter. Sometimes we will say advice memo given by the organization. And after that, if the employee is accepting, the organization will create a contract of employment, and it will include all the details, the terms and conditions, pay scale, leave rules, how many rules the leaves the employee can take, what is the hours of work, mode of termination of employment, how the employee is terminated, what is the procedures, like that, and it will include in the contract. and it will be signed by the candidate who is interested to work in the organization. So, dear friends, remember all these simple steps and think from the point of view of a candidate. You have to remember all these points, and it is yet another important topic from the chapter selection. So, read the textbook also to enrich your knowledge. Also, be patient to listen my voices. Watch the full video. If he is not feeling satisfactory with the learning, just discuss with me through the comment box. Thank you for your time. Thank you.